Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube Forex trading courses, where I share my expertise and experience to help you become a successful Forex trader. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, my courses are designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in the Forex market. I believe that anyone can become a successful Forex trader with the right knowledge and approach. That is why I have created these courses to share my experience and help traders like you achieve your goals. In addition to the technical aspect of trading, I will also cover the mindset and discipline required to succeed in the Forex market. By the end of the courses, you will have the skills and confidence you need to trade the Forex market with success. I am committed to providing you with the highest quality education and resources to help you succeed. That is why I am constantly updating my YouTube channel with the latest informations and strategies to ensure that you are always up to date with the latest trend in the Forex market. And if you ever have any questions or need additional support, I am here to help you. So don't hesitate to enroll in my courses and start your journey towards becoming a successful Forex trader. In today's video, we'll be learning something new, which is how to properly trade support and resistance levels. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in. Remember to subscribe to my channel as well. Nothing is more noticeable on any chart than support and resistance levels. These levels stand out and are so easy for everyone to see. Why? Because they are so obvious. As a matter of fact, support and resistance trading is the core of price action trading. The key to successful price action trading lies in finding effective support and resistance levels on your chart. In here, I'll talk about 3 types of support and resistance level. So today we will learn about how to trade support and resistance levels, and then I have the types of support and resistance level here. So the first one I have here is the normal horizontal support and resistance level, and then the second one is broken support levels become resistance levels, and broken resistance levels become support levels. And then the third one we have on my screen is dynamic and resistance level. Now let's look at each in much more details. So the first one we have is the horizontal support and resistance level. These are fairly easy to spot on your charts. Like I said earlier, they look like peaks and troughs. The chart you can see here is an example. So when it comes to the horizontal, how do you find them? If price has been going down for some time and hits a price level and bounces off from there, that is called support. So this is what you can see here, what I just talked about. This is the support level. Now price goes up, hits a price level or a zone where it cannot continue moving upward any further and then reverses. So where price reverses from, that is called the resistance level. As I am showing you on the chart, this is the resistance level. So when price heads back to that support or resistance level, you should expect that it will get rejected from that level again. So what will you be looking at? You will be looking at buying from the support if price gets back to that support, and then you sell from the resistance level if price hits that level again. Not all support and resistance levels are created equal. if you really want to take trades that have high potential for success, you should focus on identifying significant support and resistance level. And this significant support and resistance level can be found on higher time frames, such as monthly, weekly, and daily charts. Now, what I personally do is, after finding my significant support and resistance levels on a higher time frame, I switch to the smaller time frames like the 4-hour and the 1-hour. I do this so that I can get in at a much better price level, as well as reducing my stop loss distance. Now, the next type of support ten resistance is this thing we call support ten resistance level and resistance ten support level. Usually in a downtrend, when support level has been broken to the downside, it often tends to act as resistance level. Now, here is an example you can see on my screen. So as you can see on my screen, we have price moving in a downtrend. So like I thought in my previous videos, I said that in a downtrend we have a series of lower lows and lower highs. So now you can see that we have a support here, and then support has broken to become a resistance. The same example runs throughout the downtrend. So we have a support here which was broken to become a resistance. Usually retail traders will tell you that the pullback is usually the resistance levels. Now when you look at the uptrend too, you can see that we have a resistance level which was broken to become a support. Then we have another resistance level which was broken to become a support. So this is just the simple explanation for the support ten resistance level and resistance ten support level. Now in the downtrend, when you see such happening, when you see this support ten resistance levels happening, you should be looking for bearish reversal candlesticks to go short. So what this means is that when this support gets broken and then price gets back to the resistance, on a downtrend, you should be looking for a bearish reversal candlestick around or on the resistance level, and then you go short. Basically, that is the meaning of what I just said. The same thing happens in an uptrend. So anytime resistance gets broken and becomes a support, once price gets to the support level, you should be looking for a bullish reversal candlestick to go long. Now let's go to the real chart and look for the example of what we just discussed. Now this is an example of a horizontal support and resistance on a real chart. So as you can see from the chart, you can see that price has been going down for some time and hits a price level and then bounces up from there. That is called the support level. Now after bouncing up from the support level, price goes up, hits a price level or a zone where it cannot continue and upward or cannot continue any further and then reverses. That is the resistance level. So as you can see, this is the resistance level and this is the support level. So anytime price gets to the support level, then you buy. Anytime price gets to the resistance level, then you sell. Now when price, you can see that when price got to the support level, there is a kind of reversal candle. There is some rejections telling us that price is bouncing off from that level. So you buy here on the support level and then you sell on the resistance level. And also on the resistance level, you can see that there is some rejection on the resistance level telling us that price is bouncing off from the resistance level. So you sell here on the resistance level and also buy on the support level. This is simple. Now let's move to the chart again and see the example of the second point. So this is support 10, resistance, and resistance 10 support on a real chart. So the first one we talk about is the resistance 10 support and an uptrend. So this is an uptrend, and as you can see, we have a resistance here, another resistance here. Now price broke out to form what? A support. So resistance now 10 support around this area. Then we found another resistance also here, which has broke out and then came back. Price came back to form a support here. So resistance now 10 support. And then we had another move up where price has formed another support. We have a resistance here where price has formed another support. Now where are we going to be taking our buy? We will be buying at the support, at the pullbacks, which now becomes the support. So this is where we'll be taking our buy trade. We have something we call the pullbacks. So usually the pullbacks now become the support where we will be taking our buys from. Now let's go to the downtrend and look for support and resistance. So still on the support 10 resistance level and resistance 10 support level. Now when you come to the downtrend, this is the downtrend. So you can see that we have a support here which has turned into a resistance. Now we have a support that was broken and then became a resistance. So the resistance is the pullback, and then this is the area where we will be taking our sell because we are in a downtrend. So we had a support here which was broken. When it was broken, it turned into a resistance. Price came forward, a pullback or a case on the resistance level, and then we take our sell from here. Now we have another resistance here. The pullback is now our support, which has also broken, and then we got our resistance around this area where we will be taking our sells. So simple. This is that for support 10 resistance level and resistance 10 support level. Now the next or the last point we should be talking about is the dynamic support 10 resistance. But for the dynamic support 10 resistance, I'll be teaching that using indicators, which will be in my next video. So watch out for that video as well. Now this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I want to remind you that trading is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and discipline to become a successful trader. But with the right education, tools, and mindset, you can achieve your trading goal and create the financial freedom and lifestyle that you desire. So keep pushing forward, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. I believe in you, and I know that you have what it takes to succeed as a trader. Before I leave you, don't forget, as usual, subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment below if you find this content informative and educative. Thank you once again, and peace out.